Hi, my name is Mike. I'm the director and owner of 24-Hour Solar Power, and we specialise in battery-based solar systems. I want to say thank you for the opportunity to be of service and inquiring with our company regarding a battery-based solar system. And this video is designed to give you a bit of a quick introduction of the reason you would install batteries in your home. Now, there's a couple of different reasons. If you're looking for more of a hybrid situation, batteries are really for unreliable grid. If there's a blackout and you've got a cool room or a freezer or something like that, you just want to make sure that always works. You know, if the grid's available, and hybrid solution is probably what you're more looking for. With the products that we normally look for with the hybrid solution, we use the Redback and the SolarEdge solutions. So with the Redback, the reason we've chosen Redback for our hybrid solution, the one really good thing about the Redback system is it's scalable. So you can literally buy 2 batteries to start off with, and you can add another 2 modules in the future to grow your battery storage. Now, SolarEdge is a high-end battery-based solar system. It uses LG batteries. With the SolarEdge hybrid system, the one downside I'll say with this here, you can only buy 10 kilowatt-hour battery storage or 9.6 in any one moment. So you're pretty much required to buy a full battery up front, and you can only have 2 in the system. So basically, you're limited as the growth with having those 2 batteries. So, and yeah, you do require to buy that 10 kilowatt hours up front. So they're 2 hybrid situations. From a battery point of view, if you're thinking about installing batteries from a financial point of view, a way of thinking is potentially putting in one of these solar diverters in. Now, this is an Australian product made in Inverell at the back of New South Wales. And what it does, it diverts your excess solar into your hot water of a day and heats your hot water up if you do have electric hot water. Basically, technically turning your hot water into a battery, because the battery is pretty much energy you're putting away to use later on. So from a financial point of view, if that's a big reason you want to install solar and save money, you're probably better off looking at a grid-connected solar system with one of these catchpowers installed. If blackout power and having power when the lights go out in an emergency, you can lose a cool room full of food or something, or a fridge or a freezer is more important to you, then maybe, you know, a hybrid solar system is something that, you know, you could install and consider. From a financial return, it's a toss of a coin. It all really comes down to how you use your energy as how you'll get a financial return. So batteries are complicated. If you are not a big user of energy, there can be a very, very long payback period if you don't use it in certain times of the day. So your intention if you want to install a hybrid system pretty much is blackout protection is what I would recommend to most of our customers. If you're trying to do it for financial reasons, get a financial return, then hey, look at these catch powers. The other systems we offer and we do is mainly off-grid. This is mainly what we specialise as a business is off-grid. When there's no poles and wires, most of the time from a financial point of view, we are very, very cheap compared to poles and wires to have installed. So, you know, the one downside with the poles and wires, you can pay between $40,000 and $100,000 to get power, and then you've got a continuous pay to use that energy going forward. So there's a couple of different systems we offer in the off-grid side of life. The way we send our quotes through for off-grid, you will receive a video just like this, and I'll actually talk you through the quote. We like to give people choices of panels. So there's a few different panels. It's all going to come down to your budget, the different products we use. Same with batteries. There's a few different battery options we put on our quotes. So you as a customer get the chance to have a look, and you can decide and edit with your off-grid of how much storage you really want. All our off-grid quotes, they're all expandable. So any of our systems that we do offer, it's pretty simple and easy to add more panels, add an extra inverter, or just simply buy an extra battery and add a battery module in the future. After surveying our customers last year, one of the biggest things they wanted was, you know, the ability to grow their batteries was the biggest thing. Using a lead acid based battery or a nickel ion based battery is the challenge. So we redesigned our systems to use so that it's really easy and simply expandable at low cost. So here's just another option of some other products. We do the Victron ABB. We also offer Selectronics products as well. So we always offer a couple of different panel options, a couple of different inverter options, and it's all really going to come down to your budget as a customer of what you're really looking for. So yeah, any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We're a big believer in choice, and that's the whole reason we've designed our systems to do this, offer you as a customer the best choice. And we're not just coming to say, hey, look, this is a kit and this is all is what we do. We want to give you those choice options of, you know, if if your budget might not allow for a full 25-year parts and labour warranty panel, we want to be able to offer that option. So it's really important for us as a company to know where your budget's at so we can make sure we can get you the best quality system for your budget. So I really appreciate the opportunity and thank you for the opportunity to be of service, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.